Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today we'll continue learning block 6. Today's class we'll learn LP2 farm animals, children. You can see the picture. You can see the different animals which can be kept in a farm. You know the reason why they can be kept in a farm, because they are very useful and also they will not harm us. Let us get started, children. Aim of today's class is, we already know that some animals live near us on farms. Today we will learn about the different ways in which these animals help us. So today you have only one keyword, children, that is farm animals. F-A-R-M, farm. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, farm animals. What does the word means? Domestic animals that live on farms. So domestic animals means the animals which are helpful to us and which will not harm us, so they can live with us. So let us get ready for the activity. You see here, children, here are some pictures. Take out your EVS notebook, write today's date, and just you tell me, you might have seen near your surroundings or in any place these animals. Tell me, first is the cow. Already name is also given. How does the cow helps us, children? What does the cow gives us? Please write in your notebook. Next, hen. What do we get from the hen? And you see that ox, see how strong it is. And now you tell me, how can the ox help us? The fourth picture is the sheep. Write down, what does the sheep gives us? So these all are farm animals. Cow, hen, ox and sheep. That means they are domestic animals. They can live with us and they will not harm us, and also they are useful to us. Let us check whether our answers are correct. Yes, you are right, children. The hen. So now you see egg. So which animal you will, whatever you have written there. So egg is there. So which animal among the four pictures will give you egg? Very good, the hen. And among the four, which can be used for ploughing the land? Very good, the oxen. And what about the cow? What does it gives us? Milk. And what about the sheep? What does it gives us? Wool. Yes, no, children. So now what will you do? Already you have written what the each animal will give. So you can, near to that, you can write the names of the four animals, what you have seen here, and you can, cow gives us cow, milk will go with it. Hen, eggs. And the ox, plough the land. And also sheep gives us the wool. In correct order you write, so that you have just now the simple activity. You have understood that these four animals are very helpful. So to understand the lesson better, as usual, we'll move forward and we will watch this video.
Now let's watch.
Farm animals help us in many ways. We can eat eggs laid by hens. We can use milk given by cows and buffaloes to make cheese, butter, and yogurt. We can use wool from sheep to make clothes that keep us warm during winters. Animals like oxen help farmers to work on fields and grow crops.
Yes, now, children. So with the beautiful pictures, you are able to understand that how the farm animals are helpful to us. What are the different things we get from hens, cows, sheep and oxen? That's what even we did as an activity. Hens give us eggs, cows give us milk, sheep give us wool, oxen help farmers to plough the field. Different animals give us different things we can use. Some animals also help us to do our work. Yeah, see there, children. This is a very important tabular column. A simple one, but even then it is very important for you to learn this. Hen, that's what I told you to make as a part of activity. Already it is completed. Only you have to give the heading, animal, how it helps us. Hen gives us eggs, cow, milk, sheep, wool, oxen, ploughing the field. So now the next part of your activity is you add up some more animals, children. at least 2 or 3 animals you add up in the animal list and you write how it helps us. For example, in the first picture you saw even horse picture was there. You have seen some other buffalo picture. So that like that you add up some 4 more animals and you write how it helps us after the class is over. Now let us discuss what we have learned so far. What are the different ways in which farm animals helps us? That by now you all know that farm animals help us in different ways. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. This milk can be used to make butter, cheese and yogurt. Chickens and ducks give us eggs and meat. You all enjoyed curd and butter, cheese with bread and all, no children? So how are we able to get these all? Even paneer also from the milk. So how we get the milk? Either from the cows or buffaloes. Even the goat's milk also is used in some parts. Even York milk is also used in the hilly areas, children. Sheep gives us wool that is used for making woolen clothes. Horses and donkeys help to carry heavy loads from one place to another. Oxen help farms in the field. This is what I told you. Add up some more animals. See, horses and donkeys can carry loads. In some parts where any vehicle cannot be used, donkeys and horses are used to carry the loads, children. How do farmers take care of animals? So when they are very useful, it is our duty to take care of them. Yes or no? So in the LP1, we learned that only. We should keep the animals happy, safe and clean. So whenever a farmer is keeping any animal, they are very useful, they are very helpful. Even a dog is very helpful because it will guard the house. So what way we have to take care of it? Very good. See there, farmers keep the farm animals safe from cold, heat and rain, and also from other animals which may come to attack them. They give the animals clean water and healthy food every day. They keep the living area of the animals clean. So that's why I told in the previous class also, this clean, happy and safe is very, very important words, so that you can understand how they are supposed to be kept. Now it's a time for us to check what is given in our content book. Let us take the content. Yeah, children, take out your content book. Take this page, LP2. That is lesson 2, farm animals. Domestic animals that we keep on farms are called farm animals. We keep animals on farms as they give us useful things. They also help us with our work. Just now you saw oxen, how they are plowing. Dogs can guard the house. Cats will catch the rats and keep the farmer's house away from the pests, right? We get meat from animals like hens, ducks and goat. We can use milk to make butter, cheese and yogurt. We can sell these things in the market. Animals like cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. Animals like sheep give us wool. We get eggs from animals like hens and ducks. Animals like donkeys and horses help to carry heavy loads. Oxen help farmers in the field. See, these pictures only depict how they are useful. So as I told you, you have to increase the number of animals and try to find out how are they helpful. Farm animals are the animals which live with us and which are very useful to us, and they will not harm us, and they are also called as domestic animals. These also you need to understand, children. Now as usual, the time for you to put your hands to try the practice questions. Circle the farm animals: sheep, lion, cow, oxen, wolf and donkey. What all should be circled, children? I hope you all might have done it correctly. Let us try that. Yes, sheep we have to circle. Cow we have to circle because it will not harm. Lion, it will harm us. So no, you cannot circle that. Wolf also may harm us. Wild they are, no children. Donkey, because donkeys can carry the load. Yes. Next question. Name 2 farm animals that help us to carry heavy load. Yes. Which animals will carry the heavy load, children? Yes. Horse and also donkey. Right? Good. Next, how do cows help us? What they give us? Give us, thus you write milk. Give milk. That's it. Enough. What are the 2 ways in which we can take care of farm animals? This I will not write. You have to only write, because in LP1 also we learnt about this only. So 2 ways you write, children, how we have to take care of these animals. Now it is time for us to take our workbook to see what is given there. Date you will write. See the pictures given, children. Look at the picture and tick the farm animals. See there what is given. Horse Yeah, ticket. Cat. Is it a farm animal, children? Yes, they are also useful. They'll catch the rats. And what about the mouse? No. They will eat all the grains and all, and they are the pest. So it cannot be kept. They should be kept away. And what about the last picture D? Very good. Sheep, we have to tick it. Now you see, children, read the text and answer the questions. A cow is a farm animal, they are saying. That is a statement given, children. So what is the question they are asking you? What do cows give us? Just now we wrote in the practice questions also in the content book. How does it help us? Milk. How milk is helping you? Milk gives us energy, right? Gives us energy. Help to grow also, no? And also to grow also gives us, also it helps to grow, so put in a proper form. And also from milk what all you get, that also can be written. Press. Write 2 ways in which farmer takes care of cows on the farm. So what should be given, children? Very important thing, proper food. And one more, you will only think and write clean place to live in, or what all should be, how the cows should be. You remember that picture you saw in the LP1 video, cows in the farm. Do you remember that? Yes. So thinking all in mind, this is the one way of answering what I have shown you. You have to always, I want you all to try on your own and frame your own sentences. Keep your content book. See this. Content book is always there for you to check and write. Spellings, you no need of anybody's help. You can do on your own, seeing the spellings from here, so that you'll be able to do the next time without seeing any book. So complete this, the tabular column I told you that you complete, and be ready for the next class, children. Bye bye, children.